From basics to pro we go, mastering tools row by row. Digital age we unfold with orange, sepia and gold.
Good morning everyone, good evening everyone, and good afternoon depending where you are watching us from. This morning I'm going to be teaching you Coreldraw, and I'm going to start it from the scratch for beginners. Please, if you are new in Coreldraw, just know that this tutorial is for you and it's going to help you to achieve a lot with Coreldraw. So I'm going to start by opening the Coreldraw. Here is the Coreldraw. Just right click and click on open. Click on new document. Then I'm going to be using internet flyer, meaning what I'm going to be designing, I'm going to be putting it on the internet. Okay, so I'm going to name it as Practical 1, Practical 1, and I'm going to set it to RGB, and then it's going to be in inches, and it's going to be 5 by 5. Okay, yeah, the width has to be 5, the height has to be 5, because I'm dealing with internet flyer. And then you click on OK. Alright, so this is what you should achieve after doing that settings. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to bring out my rectangle tool. Now remember that all here are the tools we are going to be using. You have to, watch my previous Coreldraw lesson on the theoretical aspect of Coreldraw, where I explain all these tools and all these menu bar if you want to know them. But today I'm going to design a very simple something Coreldraw. So head to your rectangle, double click on it very fast, okay? Yeah, it will enter inside this environment. Alright, just double click on it and it will enter. You can also still click and then draw it this way. Alright, but I wouldn't want you to do this. What I want you to do is to double click on the rectangle and it will color it. How do I color it? I'll go here and click on any of this color. Okay, just click on any of the color. Yeah, that's beautiful. This is the color. I click, and then what next? I'm going to make this to look very, very beautiful, attractive. So I'll click on it and go to Effect. Okay, and then I will go to Blur. Then I'll go to Gaussian Blur. Then I will reduce the Gaussian Blur to maybe 7. Okay, yeah, the 7 or 10. I think 9 is okay. Then I will close it. Okay, I will close the Gaussian Blur. Now this is very, very beautiful. Why did I do blur? I did blur because I want it to be sharp when I'm selling on the internet, and also I want it to be very sharp when I put in my text. So I'm going to do a very simple design with it. And how am I going to achieve that? Head to your text box. This is your text box. Click on it and you can type from outside. Then I will drop my tool. Remember, whatever you pick from here, always endeavor to drop it on this pick tool. Okay. Now I want to centralize this text I've just written. I'll move over to this very symbol here, horizontal alignment. Click on it, and then I'll click on center. I'll click on both. You know this from MS Word. And I want to bring it inside the design I just created. So I brought it inside here now, and I've expanded it. So I'm going to use my shift tool. This is my shift tool, and I'm going to drag it down so that I will have enough space. I'm going to drop it. Then I'm going to break it apart because I want to manipulate with this text here. So what do I need to do? Press Ctrl K on your keyboard, Ctrl plus K on your keyboard. You can also break it apart from objects. Then you go to break apart, okay? But I don't do that, so just break it apart from Ctrl K can help you to do that. I've written Coreldraw, I've written Practical, I've written one. So I'm going to manipulate this Coreldraw. And one, I'm going to change the font. Let me change the font to Impact. Take Impact will actually give me what I want. So I look for Impact. This is the Impact. Click on Impact. I will expand it now. Then I'm going to change the color of this. Okay, I think let me see how red will be. Okay, now I'm going to font to white. Okay, this is what I did. Right click is for the outline, while clicking is for the font, the outer line. Okay, so Coreldraw is already here now, and then I'm going to come to Practical. Right, so how are we going to go to Practical? You click on the Practical, and I'm going to change the Practical to red. Okay, and I'm going to change this to Anton. Anton, yeah, let me change this to Anton. Now the red seems to be too shouty, and I don't like the way it is. So what am I going to do? Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to my fill queue, and I'm going to come here, and I will select another. Yellow is okay, so I'm going to go with yellow. Then I go to practical one, and then I'm going to make it white. All right, so I can bring it up here now. So we have our Coreldraw Practical 5. That's very, very simple in this very case. So we have our Coreldraw Practical 1. So for now, this is just where I'm going to stop with you guys until we meet again.
Click, click, learn and grow. Step by step skill will show. Your future bright, future bold. With orange, sea, green, and gold. Seize the day, make it